Hi, Kathy Denise Hicks here for your daily lift. I'm here to help you live your glorious life. Today, our quote is from an unknown person. It says, "Worry is a misuse of imagination." So just think about that. It's not working. Don't worry. Use your imagination for awesome. We're going to do a couple real quick stretches. Stand on your left foot, right heel goes out. Good stretch. You've probably done it before. You got the toes. Beach, beer, side, right foot, land that heel, feel that stretch to your hamstring. Yeah, a little bit each day, not to worry, right? Kathy Denise Hicks here. So glad you've joined me. I hope that you saw the ankle class. Give it a try. I'm offering today's my 100th episode. I'm going to give you 50% off on my ankle class. Give it a try. I'll put the code in there. Check it out. Only for today. All right. Talk to you soon.